Hello, Mrs. Johnson speaking.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Johnson. This is Ms. Brown, the secretary at Greenfield Elementary. I'm calling to inform you about a minor incident involving your son, Timmy.
Oh dear. What happened?
It seems that Timmy took a bit of a tumble during recess. He was playing tag with his friends and tripped over a loose stone.
Oh no. Is he all right?
He's fine now, but he did scrape his knee pretty badly. Mr. Smith, his teacher, and Mrs. Williams, the head teacher, are with him. They've cleaned the wound, and he's resting in the nurse's office.
Thank you for letting me know, Ms. Brown. I'll head over to the school right away.
That sounds good, Mrs. Johnson. When you arrive, please come to the front office and we'll take you to see Timmy.
Mrs. Johnson, thank you for coming so quickly. Timmy gave us a bit of a scare, but he's in good spirits now.
I'm glad to hear that. What exactly happened?
Timmy was playing with his friends when he tripped over a stone in the playground. He fell awkwardly and scraped his knee. We patched him up and he's been resting since.
Poor thing. I hope it's not too painful for him.
He was a little shaken up at first, but he's been very brave. We've kept an eye on him, and the head teacher wanted to speak with you as well.
Mrs. Johnson, thank you for coming. First and foremost, I want to assure you that Timmy is okay.
Thank you, Mrs. Williams. I appreciate the care you've given him.
We always prioritize the safety of our students. That said, we've taken a look at the playground, and the stone that caused Timmy to trip has been removed.
That's a relief. I wouldn't want another child to go through what Timmy did.
Absolutely. We'll also be conducting a thorough inspection of the playground to ensure there are no other potential hazards.
I appreciate that, Mrs. Williams. I know accidents happen, but it's good to know that the school is taking steps to prevent this from happening again.
We want to make sure our students are safe and sound. If you have any concerns or questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you, Mrs. Williams. I'll take Timmy home now and keep an eye on him.
Of course. And do let us know if there's anything else we can do. We're here to help.
I will. Thanks again.